Hi BroLearners, how are you? Hope you are doing great. My name is Ijaz and welcome back to my channel BroLearner. In last video we see how we can declare a variable with the help of where and let keyword. In this video we will see how we can declare a variable with the help of const keyword. And what is the difference between let, where and const? We can also see. Without further delay, let's start. First of all, I have to declare a variable with the keyword const, C-O-N-S-T, const, and after that by variable name, my name. Okay, I use camel case here, and here I declare my name, MD Jazz. Okay, and after that I have to print with the help of document.write, and I print my name. Okay, then save. You can see this is our result printed here. What if I want to change the value of my name, or if we want to reinitialize the value of my name equals to, let's say I just want it as, you can see my name is gone. Now let's check why it happened. Just double click and inspect here, and we have to check console. You can see uncount type error, assignment to constant variable at line number 14. You can see this is line number 14, and we are trying to reinitialize a constant variable. Constant mean we cannot change the value of the variable that we created. For example, if I want a number that would be fixed in my entire program, then I use const as a variable and initialize the value. For example, num equals to 1200. Cannot change during this entire code. That's why we initialize with the keyword const. This is the main difference between let, where and const. In where we can redeclare, reinitialize our variable. Where a equals to 20, sorry, 20, and a where a e- equals to hello. Okay, and in let we can reinitialize the value. For example, I have b equals to 100. I can change the value of b equals to 40, then b equals to high. Okay, now if we want to check this also. Let's save. First of all, error is gone. Now cutting this out, and after that we have to print all of this. Let's first print document.write a, document.write a, and after that we print document.write b. Now saving this, you can see hello is printed because this is the last updated value of a, which is declared with the help of var keyword. And then high is printed because we reinitialize the value three times. First initialize, then reinitialize, then reinitialize, and this is the last updated value. That's why high is printed here. And after that we have my name, which is Ijaz, which we already declared here. You can see in, okay, you can see this is my name, which we initialize. We cannot reinitialize the value. If we try to do that, it is an error and our output is gone. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.